Hello, Hivers. Welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be making a cute card using the Playin In The Rain stamp set. We're going to be using the rainbow adhesive back dots, along with the lighter than air designer series paper, okay? But before we get started on our project, of course, we have to go over the buzzworthy business of the day. First up, we have our April paper pumpkin kit, Delicate Wings. You have until April 10th to subscribe to get this particular paper pumpkin kit that makes 9 cards and has a basic gray stamping spot. If you're a paper pumpkin subscriber, you can also purchase the Thanks and Beyond dies add-on for $12. It's a set of 4 dies. It coordinates with April, May, and June paper pumpkin kit. The item number is 164397. If you're not a paper pumpkin subscriber, there's a link below in the description box for you to go ahead and sign up, okay? Next up, we have our mystery boxes. These are the flat rate, medium-sized USPS boxes that I have stuffed full of my new and used, all retired Stampin' Up products. I'm asking $30 each for the boxes. Shipping is included. I can only sell and mail in the United States. If you're interested, please email me at stampwithshana@gmail.com. Lastly, we have our March host code. This is a code I want you to use whenever you're placing an order with me, unless your order is $150 or more before shipping and tax. Don't use this host code because you're going to qualify for Stampin' Rewards, and Stampin' Rewards equals free products from Stampin' Up, and I don't want you to miss out on any of your freebies, all right? And that is all of our buzzworthy business for the day. Okay, so I'm going to be making another card using the Kendra's Card Challenge number 13. This is sketch number 11. So we're going to be making this card right here. And this was a sheet load of cards in July 2019. Okay. Again, there will be a link in the description box below for you to get Kendra's card challenge PDF because it is free. You just have to download it or something. I can't even remember how I did it. But I did some stuff ahead of time. I have our gorgeous grape cardstock here that is 5 by 3 3/4. Layered on top of that is a basic white that is 3.5 by 4 3/4. And a piece of designer series paper that is 3/4 by 3.5. We're going to just add this to the inside of our card and get that portion done and over with quickly. So I'm just adding that in. Okay. Then we have some of this designer series paper. This is a lovely pack of paper. And I'm going to be using these rainbow stripes. So we're going to, nope. I almost did it again. This piece, we're going to stamp on it first. Oh, just in case I mess up. I don't want it to be glued down. And I'm going to stamp, oh, happy day. We're going to stamp that right here at the bottom. Just like that. Oh, this is gorgeous grape ink, by the way, that I'm using. Now we can glue that down. Woo! Because what if I would have glued it and then it didn't turn out right? That would have been 2 pieces of designer series paper that would have been wasted. Right? So we're going to put this, I don't know if I want to put it in the center. Well, the sketch calls for in the center. But I was thinking to put it off to the side. But I think I'm going to leave it like they have it. So I have 2 little strips of gorgeous grape that we're going to put on the side, either side of this middle piece of designer series paper to separate it from the background. And I should have checked. Is this longer? Oh, it's a tad bit longer. I just was seeing if I needed my silicone craft sheet. But it's just a tad bit longer. I'm going to get a little skinny line of glue on there. Then we're going to take our scissors and just clip off the little overhang. Easy peasy. Okay, now we can glue this onto a gorgeous grape mat. I love both sides of this paper. It's so pretty and colorful. Ooh. So the Gorgeous Grape is just an 1/8 inch larger than the Designer Series paper. But on the sketch, I don't think they had this many layers. I tell you guys, a sketch is just really a jump off point. It's something to get you started, to get your creative juices flowing. And then you can adapt it from there, you know? So I appreciate people like Kendra and Call Me Crafty Al who put their card sketches out there for us to use, because I do have trouble using up Designer Series paper, just like my ribbon, because it's so pretty. I don't want to use it up. Okay, so now I have a piece of fresh freesia, and I don't remember what I cut it down to. Okay, this is gonna, I was going through my Gorgeous Grape to get pieces to cut my cardstock, and I found this die cut already in there. And it happens to be the perfect size for what the sketch called for. However, I don't know what die set this came from. I know it's Stampin' Up because that's all I use. It could be, I think it's retired, because I couldn't find it in any of my current die sets. However, I'm going to use it because it was already cut out. That was less work for me, and it worked perfectly for what I needed. So I'm just going to layer this piece of fresh freesia in there. Some of you might have it. I mean, we have other die sets with scallop rectangles in them. It's just not this tiny of a scallop. Like the contour, what is it? Scallop contour dies. That would work. Why didn't I just use that instead? Because this was already cut out. So I'm going to put this right here in the middle, or somewhat in the middle, more towards the top than the middle, really. Okay, and then I have some balloons that I fussy cut from the Designer Series paper that I want to set on here. I think I'm going to pop those up on dimensionals. So let's get those out. And put some on these balloons. Okay. Then I have a couple of clouds that I fussy cut from the paper as well. So I have to see where I want these to go. I think I want one. I think I want a big one coming out from right there. Then I'll just put the small one down here by itself, like that. And we'll have this balloon right here. Yep, that's what I'm gonna do. So let's put some glue on the back of this. And I have it about right here, right? Is that where I had it? That's where it's going. It's locked in now. We're gonna put this one about right there. And we'll take off our backs from the dimensionals and add this hot air balloon right here. And add this one to the other side. Oh, that didn't come off. We'll put this one about right there. And then we're gonna get some rainbow adhesive back dots and add on here. Can you come out, please? Okay, so let's get our take your pick tool, and we're gonna use a bunch of colors. So let's see. Let's use one here. And let's put one of those there. How about an azure here? I think that's Azure Afternoon. Yeah. And I want two more. What colors? Ooh, let's do a fresh freesia. So we highlight that. Right here. Okay, that's it. Isn't that cute? Sometimes I like using more than 3 embellishments, and I think that is so cute. I love this card. Okay, you guys, That's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you for buzzing by the hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.